Hello there, John Neal here. It's New Year's Eve, the 31st of January 2021. I'm looking a bit ragged, feeling a bit ragged, because I'm not sure whether it's 8 o'clock in the evening or sort of 4 o'clock in the morning. A bit jet lagged, because you're all asking it, of course. Where have you been? What have you been doing? Well, I've been to California in the USA. Let me tell you about it.
Take me out to California. Take me out to California. I feel the day is coming to an end, and my eyes are drawn to southern skies. And all the while I was trying to pretend the promised land.
Terminal 5, here we are. We've got everything sorted. Just got to check the bags in, and we're on the next stage, flying out this afternoon. It's about 11 o'clock at the minute, and we'll fly out this afternoon about 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, okay?
So take me out to California, where the sun is always high, where the streets are paved with gold, and no one ever gets old.
I will never cease to be amazed by these airliners. This is a 787 Dreamliner made by Boeing, and it has 300 people on board. It weighs 240 tons. It can travel at 500-600 miles an hour at 40,000 feet and fly nearly 7,000 miles in one go for over 14 hours. Wow!
And all your hopes and dreams will always be fulfilled. So I'll be coming real soon. Yeah, I'll be coming real soon. So take me out to California, where the sun is always high, where the streets are paved with gold, and no one ever gets old. I'll be longing for that day till you come and take me home. California, California, here I come.
Well, we're here at Santa Cruz, a beach, and it's a dog beach. And everybody's down here with a dog. Here comes another one.
Take me out. Take me out. So take me out to California, where the sun is always high, where the streets are paved with gold, and no one ever gets old. I'll be longing for that day till you come and take me home. California, California, here I come.
One day, John and Kate very kindly took us to this Filoli country estate in Redwood City, nearer to San Francisco, which was historic in that it was 1915 when it was started. And it's about as close as the Americans get to a National Trust property. In fact, it had very much a feel of Downton Abbey about it. Apparently there were 22 Christmas trees inside.
Gaze upon the sky, Christmas on my mind, somewhere from a place up high above. There's a song of love traveling afar, seeking us to warm up every heart, to be your light into the night. Bless us with a moment of serenity. Let it come to bloom, joyful Christmas news. Hope will find its way to you. Peaceful little lights, Christmas on my mind, somewhere from a place up high above. There's
Well, this is the executive lounge at San Francisco Airport, the British Airways departure lounge for when you go business class. It's a bit embarrassing because people are looking at me talking to my camera, but you got to do it. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed this video of the trip to the States in December 2021. It's been fascinating, dare I say it, emotional too, not having seen the grandchildren properly for almost 3 years, and disappointing to leave as well. But there again, it'll be nice to get home. We came back business class, and this is the departure lounge specially for us, and yeah, we deserved it because it's been a long, hard job getting this organised with the COVID restrictions. Huge thanks to John and Kate for looking after us and their expert hospitality.
Take me out to California. Take me out to California. I feel the day is coming to an end, and my eyes are drawn to southern skies. And all the while I was trying to pretend the promised land was there beyond the great divide. But I'll be coming home soon. Yeah, I'll be coming home soon. So take me out to California, where the sun is always high, where the streets are paved with gold and no one ever gets old. I'll be longing for that day